turning tool on a tool rest, a round offset coming down the meter. Very, very simple. So why don't we turning and then the hand home also to maintain that so that you don't run back to the grinder every few minutes. Yes, I have. You can start with a standard tool support system here. It's also safe in all the ways. The big thing to look at is that's really part of the grinding system. Now, here is probably what your grinder needs.